Hey guys, finally Sleeps here. We're back out in the garage today. I'm here with ZZ.Wraps, and we have a package that just arrived from Flashark Racing. There's a new project car at the shop, and we are looking for a suspension kit. And I have a feeling this is exactly what we asked for. Do you know how to close it? Did you figure it out? Woohoo. Is this it? Mm-hmm. Ooh, purple. So this is a 2004 Mazda NB, and these are Flashark's coilover kit specifically designed for this car. So what do you think? Is it for spanners? Comes with everything, right?
Yeah.
What are the claims for?
Brake line or something.
Yeah. These are this is a very affordable set. We're gonna see what kind of ride we get out of this. Are they adjustable?
I don't know about the damping.
There's no damping. The quality on the build, they're pretty substantial. I think everything, when you buy coilovers, everything boils down to the quality of the shock in there, right? That's the difference. I mean, you can swap out springs and stuff, but if the shock quality isn't there, that's the difference between a good set of coilovers and a bad set, right? Mm-hmm. So we'll have to see what kind of shock quality we get on these and how low they go. Like, how adjustable are they? So, like, compared to, see, there's a cap on the bottom. You can only go.
That was max flow.
That was as max as it goes.
It's hard to tell without comparing it to a stock strut.
We'll have to, once we get the stock struts out, we can compare and see what kind of a difference we can get out of it. So those are the rear.
These are the front.
Those are the front?
Yeah.
The rear are the shorts?
Mm-hmm.
Really? All right. Next step is to put them on the MB and see what it looks like. Special thanks to Flashark for sending these to us. Can't wait to see what they do. Flashark Racing, if you haven't checked it out, is a website that is perfect for performance parts needs. Visit flasharkracing.com. The link is below, as well as a discount code you can use at checkout to take some money off of your order for performance parts. Slides into the lower. It threads on, and you can raise and lower it depending upon how much you tighten or loosen it. We're actually going to go as low as we can possibly go. We want to try to max this out just to see how low it'll take the car.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems.